we're into the wind. 162 to the center. It's not your head, it's your wrist, and you twist the putter. We got a bunch of pros in the chat. Hey man, I don't know, I'm not a pro. And probably everybody in this chat is probably better than me, so. What are you hitting, Doug? 6? I'm hitting, this is a 3, right? A long 3. Go ahead, Doug. .180 to the back of the green. Dirt.
That was really short.
A little cold when we go on the beach. Oh God. Pop the shit out of that. The stream's probably gonna end like unexpectedly because I don't know, I started on 100%. I'm already down to 20 and I don't know. I don't think playing live is really friendly for or playing golf is really friendly for live. I mean, we're not even through the front 9. The batteries are already in. But probably would work better on the new iPhone.
Yeah, my battery doesn't.
I only got a little iPhone Mini 12, iPhone 12 Mini, whatever.
Oh yeah.
Where are you?
What's that short?
Yeah, a little over. How far am I from the pin? How far are we right now? It says 137. Take my picture. No, just well, it's a par 3, and this hole is cart path only. Everything else, the fairways are at 90 degrees. Way too much club. Way closer than I thought. Way closer than I thought. You gonna see the ball? Damn, camera fault. You guys missed a really good shot. Missed a really good shot. Did you grab my putter? Hey man, you got out. Is it really? Doug just found his ball from the last hole that he sliced over here. This is New Jersey, Nob Hill Golf Club, Manalapan, New Jersey. Supposed to get some rain around 5 o'clock, so the wind's coming. I mean, the wind is blowing the balls on the green. It's so windy. Double bogeys around. Double bogey. Worm cam. Yeah, I laid it down because it kept like blowing over. So I already my tripod blew over last time I was recording in the parking lot, and it cracked the lens of my camera. So I don't want to hurt it anymore. I think I'm gonna end it there, guys. I want to get some stuff so I can post later. So thank you guys for jumping on. I think it's so fucking cool. My whole family makes fun of me.
Not me.
Everybody makes fun of me, but I you know, like I said before, this is nothing. This is not what I plan on ever doing, man. I just like I always like making videos, and you know, I like playing golf. So I started doing it together, and now it's like over 16,000 viewers. It's just so wild. So thank you guys for jumping on. We're gonna sign off here. Check out all my content on my page. I got a lot of videos on there. A lot of people haven't seen, like older content from like when I just started. So and I'm in Mercer County, my buddy, and I would love to play with you. Yeah, man, DM me, dude. I'm always down to golf. Always down. But that's all for now.
Get the hawk. Get the hawk.
The hawk? There's a hawk up there. Cool. I'm Corey, by the way. Cool, man. I'm Chris. That's Doug. And no, petty sucks is what everybody says who lives around here. So all right, I'll see you guys later. Thank you.